you activate your hips and push your ass out. Gotta put the woe in it so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'm the fly out. Got you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking quick to me, but I think I bring the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance. With me lady on the freeway, catch me if you can. Forgive me, I'm a rider, still I'm just a simple man. All I want is money plus the fame, I'm a simple man. Mr. International, player with a passport, just like a Latin switch. Get you anything you ask for, either him or me. The champagne, Hennessy, favorite of my homies when we floss on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low speed, beat what my foes need. Make some emojis for you don't need. Approaching women with a passion, been a long day, but I've been driven by attraction in a strong way. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you're flowing. Time to give it to daddy, sugar, and tell me how you want it. Tell me, baby, is it cool to touch? Tell a man that you can trust, not just a fool to lust. Coming to get you on the bus, it's so ironic. Exotic on the verge of a rock. I'm hitting switches on misses like I've been fixing. I drive my up and down like a roller coaster. Can I come inside you? I ain't stopping till the show is over. Cause I'm a vibe in and out just like a robbery. I'll probably be a freak and let you get on top of me. Rockin' these nights full of Alizé. A living legend.